Hi, today we'll be doing a very quick demo of the myDrugCosts tool. However, if you're looking for a more detailed version, I'll post a link to that video in the description below. So starting off, if you're taking any medications over the last 6 months, they're going to show up on the My Prescriptions tab here. And what you'll see is the medications that you're taking, some basic information, their strength, form, and quantity, when you filled the drug, how many days you have remaining, what you paid versus what your employer paid, as well as the pharmacy that you filled the medication at. More importantly, if we are able to find you any savings opportunities, you'll see them here in these green buttons on the right. And so in this example, we can see that there are 2 ways for us to save, one using a discount card or by using a $4 generic program. And again, what this does is it's going to show you opportunities where we can reduce your costs for the same medications that you're taking. Now, for any new drugs that you get prescribed, we highly recommend that you use this tool while you're meeting with your physician. So if you're to be prescribed a drug that isn't covered by your insurance or it's too expensive, the best time to learn about that isn't after you've left the doctor's office and driven to the pharmacy. The best time to learn that is when you're still meeting with your physician so that you can look at alternatives. So here we have a feature called Switch to a Similar Drug that will let you look at other drugs that are in the same drug class used to treat the same condition. And so now working with your physician, you can come up with a better solution that's going to be more cost effective for you. In addition to that, we're always going to look at ways that we can help you to save money. So whether that's using your insurance or again, looking for ways to buy without your insurance, we're going to show you all the different ways in order to help lower your costs. Again, thank you and have a great day.